Hey everyone, welcome. Today we are going to go over how to simply make a bed quick and easy, but leaving it like a professional did it, and also why it's super important to make your bed every single day. Throw pillows are a must. As you can see, they add so much color and dimension to the bed itself. But try to keep the throw pillows to a minimum. And don't be afraid to get creative with those colors. Make sure your fitted sheet is on extremely tight, no wrinkles. When you put the flat sheet on, make sure to put the print side down. To get that neat and precise look at the foot of the bed, take that top fitted sheet at about a 45-degree angle as shown, tuck in that bottom flap, and then tuck over that top flat nice and neat. Repeat on the other side. Putting the comforter on, leave yourself enough room at the top to fold back to give the bed some dimension. This is also where you will fold the flat sheet over print side up. For placement of pillows, there is no right or wrong way. However, I like to lay my pillows flat as it creates a more sleek and edged look. My favorite part, to create the V in the pillow, all it is one karate chop. Always fold your blanket in thirds so it has that nice edge at the bottom. When you wake up, the first thing I encourage you to do is make your bed. By making your bed first thing in the morning, you're accomplishing that first task of the day. That's going to encourage you to do another task, and another task. And if for some crazy reason you have a really shaky, not so good day, you're gonna come home to that beautifully neat and tidy made bed, and you did that. You accomplished that. This will also encourage you to have an even better day tomorrow. And by repeating this process every single day, it will not only have a positive impact, but it'll have a lasting impact on your mind and your daily lives. So make that bed.